let's fucking go. Video 717. In ARTGIRL shader strings, within shader number 8, which is our bombs for Josh shader, we've added this damage bits to 0 and killer. So the damage bits of the explosion go in here, it's 2 bits, and then we get out this thing called the 0 and killer, which is also 2 bits, but we use this 0 and killer to bitwise and with the strength value of a tile to figure out if that tile is going to be destroyed or not. So this is the value that's going into the lookup table, the DB2, and this is the ZAC value that is coming out. All right, so this value right here in binary is these right here. Okay, let's go down to the next section. So within the main entry point of the bombs for Josh shader, aka shader number 8, which we're inside of, within the yin-yang geometry loop, inside of whether or not a geometry tile exists. So if a geometry tile exists, right, we bit pack the payload for the geometry tile, and then we got to figure out if there is a damage modifier on top of that tile. So right here, we've added a new section, extract FATA damage level. So we have a little explanation of what the red bits of the FATA tile mean. These 4 bits are the tile value, and it's split up into a special effect and damage bits. These damage bits are what we care about. So we're going to extract the V16 right here by shifting the red by 4. We're going to extract the damage bits by shifting by 6. And then we're going to use the DB2 to ZAC lookup table with DB2 to get out this ZAC value. And we'll do more logic here in about 2 videos, but that's all for now. So we're not quite done with the additions. Here's what we did previously. We got our footnotes. We got a big-ass truth table down here. Like in this section, we got a big-ass truth table. We don't have time to review the truth table in the fast videos, but in these slower videos right here, the slower videos on Ninja Playlist 8, we do review that truth table if you want to take a look at it. You are in the advanced playlist on Kanji Playlist 8. If you just want technical demos, here they are. Source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me down here. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch, open sourcing it, and documenting every single line of code. Like, subscribe, and follow.